If your Temu free gift codes never seem to work, no progress bar, no reward, nothing happens, then you're probably making one very common mistake. And the problem isn't the code, it's the way the free gift is being activated. Let me explain it clearly. Before we start, I've put the working Temu free gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's what most people do wrong. They open the Temu app and immediately start scrolling. They tap on products, browse deals, maybe even add things to their cart. But the free gift never appears. That's because the free gift does not activate automatically. It only activates when you enter Temu through the correct page. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Use the activation link. Click the first link in the description. This step is required. Without using this link, Temu won't start the free gift event. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on a computer, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Both do the same thing. They activate the free gift. Step 2. Confirm the free gift is active. After scanning or entering the code, go back into the Temu app. You should now see a progress bar appear. This progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift event is active. If you don't see the bar, the activation didn't go through. In that case, go back and repeat step 1 using the link again. Step 3. Complete the simple tasks. Once the progress bar appears, Temu will give you a few small actions to complete. These are things like browsing certain products, opening deal sections, checking specific categories. They're quick and simple. Each action fills the bar a little more. Step 4. Unlock your free item. When the bar reaches 100%, the free item you selected unlocks and gets prepared for shipping. No payment required, no referrals needed, no tricks involved. This is why some people get free items and others don't. They skip the activation step. If your Temu free gift never worked before, try again using the code on screen and follow these steps carefully. And if it finally works this time, leave a comment and tell me what you unlocked. I like seeing what people get.